Sportster 883 Hugger. Put some LED lights on it, and if anybody's ever tried this with this is a 1989 model, I'm sure you've had issues with it not blinking right and everything. So this video I'm taking here because I couldn't find one anybody else doing it. Putting this Badlands module on there. This is the Pro 3, and I'm attempting to put everything in the headlight. As you can see, I got the LEDs up front on the porch, and I got something in the back here. Just cheap eBay ones for now. But most of you guys tried this before, you know this is a stock. You've got one wire to it, and then you've got the bolt, that's your ground. So of course the new style lights, you've got the positive and negative. So back here I just did the two orange wires here are my positives, and I just wired them into the right and left side turn signal, and then the green I just created a ground and went right to the battery with it. These two wires here also went to the lights in the back, and these were for the running lights. But with the module, you just eliminate these. You just only wire them up to the right and left, and the module will make these, they'll make them turn signals and running lights and brake lights, if I'm not mistaken. So back to the front here, after talking to the tech at Badlands, one of the things you had to do was take this little thing out here. I think it's a flasher, and so there's a place right down in there where it sits. Two little metal brackets back there where that thing sits at. And you just pop it out, and then you wire the two wires together according to his instructions. So I've already done that, and like I said, I'm installing everything right in here, putting it all into the headlamp. So one thing I'm using, some people solder, you know, to each his own. I like these little things here. They heat shrink. It's not focusing, but anyways, they're heat shrinkable, and you crimp them, and they seem to do a pretty good job. They seem to seal up pretty good, hold their own. So, all right, well, after I get this all put back together, I will let you know how it goes. All right, all done. Got everything wired back together, stuffed in the headlight. It does fit. It takes a little while though. Just go easy on it. You can get it all in there. One thing I wanted to mention too, when I talked to the technician at Badlands, he said that the green and white wire on the module really didn't have to be hooked up. All that was for your turn signal indicator. But since it has self-cancellating lights, you really don't need to worry about that. But here we go. Everything works. Got your blinker for your left side. Blinker for the right side. Now before, it wasn't doing nothing. I mean, when I hit the blinker, all the lights would come on. So I'm glad this module has these functions, especially the self-canceling. And then of course the brake light. So you've got the brake lights, and also they are running lights now. Also when you turn them on, and they still got the brake function. So pretty impressed with this product. A little over $100. Well worth it. So yeah, wasn't too bad of an install. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you hook anything up. Probably took me a couple hours, but well worth the price. Definitely a great product by Badlands. All right, everybody, peace.